So students, in this video we will discuss velocity addition theorem. Let us consider two inertial frames S and S dash which are not under the influence of any external force. Let frame S is a rest frame and frame S dash is moving with constant velocity v, which is very high, comparable to velocity of light in x direction. Let O and O dash are two observers in frame S and S dash respectively. Let us consider a body which is moving in frame S dash. Let U is the velocity of the body as recorded by observer O in frame S, and U dash is the velocity of body as recorded by observer O dash in frame S dash. Since the velocity of body U as recorded by observer O in frame S is very high, comparable to velocity of light, hence the relative velocity of body U dash as recorded by observer O dash in frame S dash will not be equal to U minus V in relativistic mechanics. However, we can consider U dash as equal to U minus V in Newtonian mechanics because the velocity V in Newtonian mechanics is very small compared to the velocity of light. So to determine the relative velocities in Newtonian mechanics, we either subtract the two velocities taking. So if two bodies A and B are moving with velocities VA and VB respectively, then to determine the relative velocity of body A as recorded from body B, we consider body B to be at rest. Then the relative velocity of body A as recorded from body B will be VA minus VB if the two bodies are moving in the same direction, or VA plus VB if the two bodies are moving in the opposite direction. We can easily subtract and add the velocity in Newtonian mechanics. But in the case of relativistic mechanics, when one of the velocity is very high comparable to velocity of light, we cannot add and subtract the velocities in this fashion. Velocity addition theorem helps us to determine the relative velocity of body with respect to the stationary observer O in frame S, when the velocity of body with respect to observer O dash, which can be considered to be an observer on Earth taking the velocity of Earth to be v, is known to us. So this relative velocity of body as recorded by observer O is given by U is equal to U dash plus V upon 1 plus U dash V upon C square. Similarly, velocity addition theorem helps us to determine the relative velocity of a body with respect to an observer O dash on Earth taking the velocity of Earth to be a v, when the velocity of such a body relative to a stationary observer O is known to us. So this velocity of body relative to observer O dash on Earth, which is U dash, is given by U dash equal to U minus V upon 1 minus UV upon C square. Thus velocity addition theorem is applicable in relativistic mechanics when the velocity of a body is very high comparable to velocity of light relative to a stationary observer.